Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can pay NDB credit card bill, a full guide. So if we navigate through the official instructions from Emirates NBD, we have multiple ways to pay our credit card bill, and the first one is going to be mobile banking. In here we have two steps or two ways. We have the application, which is from the ENBDX application. You want to navigate through products. On the home page, you want to select credit card and tap on the pay now icon, and from there you will be able to enter the amount and verify your payment details. Now if you're using transfer and pay, you want to log in into your mobile banking, tap on the send or pay icon on the application, and then you want to scroll down to the credit card payments option, and from there you want to simply look for Emirates NDB, enter your credit card details, the amount, and you should be good to go. Now for online banking, once again you want to navigate through a similar menu. Once again, navigate through payments, click on credit card payments, and from there you then want to look for Emirates NBD. You want to verify your details, enter your credit card, the amount, and that's it. We also have ATM right here. You want to visit one of the ATMs. You want to select the language that you are using and then enter your PIN code. Select payments, cards, ENBD or EI credit card. Now you want to select the card from the beneficiary list or enter your credit card number manually without spaces. And from there you want to select debit my account to debit, and then enter the amount and confirm. We also have another one which is going to be CDM. You want to visit one of their CDMs, touch the screen and select cash deposits, payments, cards, Emirates NDB or EI credit card. And lastly, we have exchange house. You want to visit your nearest AI Ansari exchange with your Emirates IV or passport for identification, and from there you will be able to pay your credit card bill. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.